Greetings YouTube, TikTok, and everywhere else on the internet where this video is playing right now. I am Sergio with Shofar Blast, and well, let me introduce this shofar to you guys. This is a 40-inch Yemenite Kudu, okay, shofar. It has been cleaned on the inside and sealed with polyurethane. Okay, it's been also disinfected, clean, brushed from the inside and whatnot. The mouthpiece is being edited as well. You can see right here. It has enough width on the ring so it doesn't cut your lip, so it doesn't hurt when you're sounding the shofar. And the mouthpiece, like I said, it's being worked on so it can give you that beautiful, beautiful sound that we're gonna listen to in a minute. This shofar, it's of my brother Delfred of Pennsylvania, and he wants to give a shout out to Grace Church of Shillington, a call for increase of revival. Okay, I hope that I pronounced that right. So thank you, brother Delfred, for trusting me with your purchase. All right, and I've said, let's go ahead and sound it and hear those beautiful tones that this 40-inch can give us. In the name of our Lord. Wow, did you hear that? Such an amazing, beautiful, crispy, clear sound. With Shofar Blast, all my shofars have my logo in it. Okay? This means that the shofar is 100% guaranteed. Means that the only thing you have to worry about is learn how to blow the shofar. You no longer have to worry about if you're gonna get a good shofar, if it's gonna sound good, whatever they're gonna send you from the big warehouse, they just pick it and send it to you. No, with Shofar Blast, you're buying the peace of mind. That is why they're a little bit more expensive than getting it from any random website or Amazon. Okay, I know it's a harsh truth, but it is what it is. All right, well, thank you guys for listening to this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like down below. Don't forget to follow and stay tuned for more greatness to be uploaded. Bye-bye.